Welcome to part 4 of Boost your battery life by adjusting screen and display settings. Here's how. Start from the home screen. Go to Settings and tap on Display. Adjust brightness. Tap on Brightness Level, then use the slider to set the brightness to your comfort level. Enable Adaptive Brightness. Turn on the Adaptive Brightness option. This automatically adjusts the brightness based on your environment and activities. Set Screen Timeout. Optimize battery usage by reducing inactivity time. Tap Screen Timeout in the display section and set it to 15 or 30 seconds. Activate Dark Theme. Go back to the display section, find Dark Theme, and enable it for even better battery efficiency, especially on OLED screens. Use Night Light. For nighttime use, enable the Night Light feature in the display section. It reduces eye strain and conserves energy. Adjust refresh rate. If you're not a hardcore gamer, switch from the default 120 Hz to 60 Hz. Tap Display Refresh Rate in the display section, and choose Standard for reduced refresh rate and better battery life. Disable HDR display. HDR is great for gaming and streaming, but if your usage is minimal, disable it. Thanks for watching.